African politician. He is the mayor of Ngeni local municipality, and he is also our guest, our official unofficial co-host from 8 until 9 this morning. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning. It's lovely to be here.
It's lekker to have you here.
Mfethu Chris, how are you?
Hey Ndod. Kanti isiZulu yasikhuluma ngazi. Unegama elithi sky.
No, the Uskai Fetsi Kamala Skolin because my rugby coach couldn't say si mangali, so he called me Lech and then we translated to Sky, and then Sky works better for radio than for the East Coast Radio Sports team. I am Spangali, so Shabalan.
And what do they know you at home?
It's changed over years, actually.
Yeah.
So at first, my dad used to smanga sabele if I'm in trouble, smang. But now it's everyone at Sky.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's a good question to you, Chris. Are you Chris when you're good and Christopher when you're bad?
Yes. No, definitely. But I was telling Sky earlier, I have a name that people know me by, mostly in Mooi River, where I come from.
Yeah.
And I don't know if I should say it.
You have to say it.
If you didn't say it, I'll say it.
No, because I told you.
You told me, yes,
yeah. So many people in and around Mooi River know me as Gundi or Gundwan.
Gundwan, okay.
Yeah, because when I grew up, I was an ugly baby. I was an ugly baby. I wasn't cute.
I'm so glad you grew out of that.
Thank you so much.
So Gundwan is a rat.
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
So I look like a little rat. So they used to carry it around in a carry cot.
Yeah.
And I looked like this little rat in this thing there. So it became Gundwan.
Oh, wow.
All right, so terms and conditions, good mayor, is that today we're not talking politics. This is not about top politics.
What? I thought that's why you invited me here.
I know, it's so weird though. Hey,
Yeah.
you invite a politician and don't talk politics. No, you're one of our mayors and we want to get to know our mayors. The mayors, we actually unofficially want to start a reality TV show, The Real Mayors of Durban.
Yeah. Of KZN.
Of KZN.
Yes.
And however, should the urge to politic happen, we have with us, and the only person who is empowered to ask politic questions is our chief news editor, Marius.
And he's quite a mean-looking guy. I mean, he looks like he talks business.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when he talks to you, like he looks straight in the eyes, bro, like it's a problem.
Sure.
Don't look down.
Like the silent assassin.
Yeah.
That's why I haven't been saying anything.
Not scary at all.
And also to help both of you, both in the question asking and the question answering, we will have very clear, you can't miss it, the Poly-ticker.
Politica time.
During the Politica time, and you can hear the hands of the Politica ticking as it happens right now. During and only during the Politica time can you talk politics. As soon as the Politica ends, politics is over and we get back to getting to know the mayor. Fair enough?
Perfect.
Terms and conditions have been approved. I'll start with my first question. You say you're from Mooi River, Chris Pappas, but where did you go to school?
Treverton, prep in Mooi River, and then high school to Hilton Collage,
Hilton College.
where we
And
used
so
to beat Sky's team in rugby quite
all
often.
the time back in that day.
All
back in
the
those
time.
days. All the time.
I need to come back on that.
Yeah.
I need to get back on that. Like, Westfall. You beat Westfall? I don't know, actually. Okay. Maybe.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, good. Okay.
Isn't it?
But
No.
yeah, so that was it.
Yes.
Mooi River, Treverton, then on the farms, obviously, out towards the Drakensberg. But I say Mooi River, that's the closest town. It's about 25 minutes out.
Yeah.
But in the cold Drakensberg, out by Giant's Castle, that's where I grew up.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
So politicians have to look a certain way, especially nowadays. Everybody's more woke and you've got to be groomed. Do you have a hair routine? Do you go to the salon? Do you go to the barber? And do you do skincare, anything skincare related? Like, what do you do to get dressed and ready?
So yes, I do have. I mean, you don't have hair that looks like this, you know.
Exactly.
Without
Yeah,
having
you-
a routine.
exactly.
Like
I would
Becky with the
argue I
good
possibly I'm the politician with the best hair. But
Probably yes.
That's me being humble. I take great pride in my hair, and yeah, I want to look young forever.
Yeah.
And Botox is not an option, so we're not going down that direction.
Oh, well, we might
I
be able
know
to change your
someone.
mind on that.
You-
I might hook you
We
up.
know people.
Politica time.
Marius, this is your turn.
Okay, so there's a complaint at the public protector around grant money from the municipality given to your fiance and the tourism business. Please explain.
Cool. 45 seconds. Go.
Go.
So, number one, the business that they speak about was only registered a month ago. So it's impossible for this particular company to have got tenders 2 years ago, as they're talking about. Number two, we've never put out a tourism tender as the municipality. So there's no money that actually they happen to move. Number three, the organization that they talk about is actually a community tourism organization like you guys have here in Durban, has been getting money from the municipality for years before I even started.
That was. I don't think you could have squeezed any more questions in there. I was going to go. Obviously, I'm not going to do it. But I was going to do a follow up. Like, what do you keep your couches nice and fluffy with?
Definitely not dollars.
But I mean, I don't have time. We're out of politica time, so we go back to getting to know the mayor.
Yeah, here's a question. I was thinking about this one. Do you like mayors of KZN? Because we want to start the reality show. Do you guys have a WhatsApp group?
Yeah, we do. It can get nasty sometimes.
Do you really?
The admins, make it like no one can talk. So
okay,
we do have one of those.
What's the profile picture?
It was blank at one stage because we even fought over that.
Would you call your the mayor's WhatsApp group a coalition success story?
No.
Is it not?
No, it's not. It's not the friendliest of places to be on, especially when there's something controversial happening, because everyone likes to screen grab and go put on there and point fingers. But at times it can be fun, when there's something a little bit more lighthearted, we pick on each other in a fun way.
But then who's the admin?
The officials at Cocta, we decided that's probably the best way.
Nice.
Not the MEC. You can't have a politician being the admin. So we said, okay, officials.
Well, quickly before we go into traffic, is there a key to the city? Because the mayor gets a key. Is there a key? Is it on a key ring? Have you lost your keys?
I don't think they were lost. I think they were probably. I won't let me say stolen. They went
that was a
missing.
politica moment. Sorry, I'm going to have to.
Honourable members, please.
Sorry, we had to bring in the chief whip there. That was some sneaky politicking.
I do have a chain. Do
you have a chain?
I do have a chain. It's way too long. I mean, because I'm so short. Maybe it's the right size and I'm too short. But
yeah. Well, there you go. Chris Pappas, the mayor of Umgeni local municipality. He's joining us the whole day. Do you have any questions? Would you like to get to know the good mayor? Just send your questions to 06179.
East Coast Radio.
So the good mayor is with us all morning. We're just getting to know Chris Pappas, and when we ask we're not asking any political questions. We have a politica that is put aside, and our chief news editor, Marius van der Walt, will venture into that area for a brief amount of time that the politica is on. Otherwise, it's getting to know our mayor. Chris Pappas, thank you for joining us this morning.
I got told I have to do a disclaimer. You did bribe me to be here. There is a box here full of goodies. No money for my couch, but do I get?
You didn't open the box yet. It's inside. It's hidden.
Yeah, we can fit
Underneath
things
something.
and
That makes
things.
it worse. That makes it.
No, it's under 2,000 Rand, and it's merchandising for us. So
You
it
just
goes
have to
into.
declare it, right?
Yeah.
I see what you did there. Okay.
Yeah. There's only a handful of people that have those cups.
No, thank you very much.
Sky doesn't even have one of those cups.
Send an email, Sky.
So here's a question that's come through. Dear Mayor, which member with you on the Time 100 Next 2023 list could you win a wrestling match?
Oh,
Could I win a wrestling match? There's a gentleman who is from NASA. So he's a really young astronaut, and I reckon I could arm wrestle. Let's not try wrestling. Let's say arm wrestle.
Arm wrestle.
Arm wrestle. I'll do it. I'm going to New York in a while, so we'll go and
do a bit of arm
maybe
wrestle.
send a video for the caller.
Do it for us.
Love it.
So, obviously, you spoke about your garage pie because you are very busy. So, you obviously don't have time to cook. So, what do you eat when you are lazy and you can't cook? Or what do you like to eat? Because KZN has all the options of the best food.
No, I love to cook. So I love to cook. But sure. So if you ever in trouble with me, bring me either a wimpy burger, Steers chips,
yeah.
Quite right.
or a good curry.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
Then
Okay.
then I'll forgive you.
Okay.
And then where does... Oh, it's politics time. Marius, you're up.
What's the biggest stumbling block for the DA going from 22% to 30% in the national elections next year? Biggest stumbling block.
I think we have to build trust. So we obviously have a perception that we are a white organization, and that's what we've got to shed. A lot of it is not correct. If you look at the numbers, you don't get to be the second biggest party in South Africa without having more non-white voters than white voters. But at the end of the day, politics is about perception, and we have to shake that. So we have to build more trust. We have to speak in the right way, at the correct tone. We have to get to more people's houses, and we have to show people that where we have been given an opportunity, that people's lives improve, and that's a hard job.
Sure,
I
nailed
don't
it.
know how you do this. You're very good at this.
You're
squeezing
very
it in.
good at this.
Talking during the politica. All right, so
Yeah, we got a question from Pinky.
Good morning, Mr. Pappas. This is Pinky from Westville.
and I wanted to ask you perhaps a very personal question.
Oh.
I hope I'm not overstepping any boundaries when I ask this. This is very serious. Where does the nickname Papiwe come from? Because I hear that's another nickname apart from Gundane, and I wanted to know, is it because, you know, Hlawumbe, like, Oya Papa, like, has anybody told you what's Oya Papa, or is it just, where does Papiwe come from?
Wow.
So yes, sometimes in Papa, but that's not where it comes from. One of my best friends at school was Sipiwe. He was the head boy, and we used to spend hours together late at night working after hours. And my surname is Pappas, so it became Pappas, and Sipiwe became Papiwe.
I like it.
Nice.
I like it. All right, so Chris Pappas, the mayor of Umgeni local municipality, is joining us today. He is our official, unofficial co-host from 8 until 9. We've still got some time with him. By the way, no, the mayor, we don't ask any politics questions. That's Marius, and that's only when the politica goes off. We don't know when it'll go off. It could go off at any time. Now, Mr. Mayor, do you know what I would... Okay, like right now.
Every political party wants to win an election outright, but all indications are coalitions are what we're going to get after next year's elections. DA and KZN, can it avoid the same pitfalls as other provinces that's having to deal with coalition governments?
I think we can. I think we can avoid it. Coalitions are difficult. It's part of being a young democracy. We have to face it sometime, and rather do it now while things are still working. But we have an opportunity here, but it really is up to the voters. If voters want to choose to have lots of small little political parties, then that's up to you. But if you want to choose to have one or two bigger parties, then that's also up to you.
All right, I think we're just going to throw in an extra whip there as well.
Honourable
Slightly
members,
out of time.
Come on, guys. That was the first time.
In your allotted time, please.
Yeah, 46
I
seconds,
withdraw.
mate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. And we were just complimenting you on how well you were with
Okay,
time.
give me another chance.
The time. One more chance. 9 minutes left of the show. All right. You know what? Here's another WhatsApp that came through. Who does your grocery shopping?
I do. I actually get in trouble because I'm supposed to go with some sort of protection because of the threats and things like
Yes.
that. But I'll put on my pluckies and my
You go
T-savs.
yourself.
And I avoid my protection and I go to our local Greendale. And it's nice as well because then I can
How do you
get harassed by the old Dannies there. and
But
everything.
that's it, right? So, like a quick 20-minute shop becomes an hour and a half.
Yeah. I don't just go buy milk. Like I wait for everything to run out and do like one big shop.
Okay. Yeah. This one. Which Springbok player would make a good president? Wrong answer only.
No, I reserve my right, guys. Ask me after the World Cup.
No. Okay, so
Okay, they're not wrong answers.
Okay,
They're just
so
who
then
would- yeah.
which Springbok? Okay, you can't say Siya Kolisi because that is the political
obvious.
question.
Wow, but I was just saying
or
earlier, I
answer.
know what it's like because you guys were tuning me for,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's not go down that way. That's political.
come
Yeah.
on. Surely
Yeah,
Cheslin or
sorry, can
something.
we have a little bit of a...
Honourable members, please.
Please, and that's for you, Sky, because you were baiting the good
Yes.
mayor. You
Oh,
tried to pull him
president.
into
Oh,
politics.
okay, yeah.
So you're
please.
saying Cheslin?
I was saying, yeah.
Why?
I don't know, bro. It's first, and he's got big biceps.
Yes,
So does
'cause
that
We
make
can carry the
I'd make
country.
I'd make a good friend.
Yeah.
I think everyone knows it would be Billy LaRue because he delivers.
Honourable members, please.
Yeah, thank you for the save.
All right, one more politica time. Here we go.
What is going to decide the election? What is the single most important issue in KZN right now?
The single most important issue is unemployment. Without people working, without people being able to provide for their families, we don't have dignity in homes, we cannot grow our economy, we can't do all of those things. And that obviously there's a lot of things that contribute to that. Infrastructure, small towns that are collapsing, there's a lot politicians who steal too much money. All of those things contribute. But we have to get people in employment so that people can provide for their families and have some sort of dignity in their lives.
And that was in time, on
It was
time.
Jeez, when I
Amazing.
say it's
Amazing.
finished.
Time.
Deserves-
Time,
I
on
mean,
time. Do we have time
That's
for...
just amazing. Look,
for a
here's
listener?
a question from Tlantla.
Hey, Mr. Mayor, it's Tlanta here. Just wanted to know where you learned how to speak Zulu, if you know how to speak Afrikaans or any other languages.
Great question, Klantla.
Thank you, Ntlanhla. So I didn't learn to speak Zulu.
Yeah.
I grew up speaking
Oh,
isiZulu.
okay.
It was either speak the language that people were speaking around me or
Yeah.
don't speak at all. I did learn to read and write it at school. So I wrote Zulu for matric.
Oh, wow.
Damn.
I used to have a competition with a friend of mine, Nondabula, from Kwamashu, and his mom used to phone me after every exam and say, "What was your mark?" Because we used to be like neck on neck.
Oh,
And he was
nice.
like proper Umzulu, like grew up Zulu. And she used to get very upset when I got higher marks than him.
Yes.
But ek praat 'n bietjie Afrikaans, maar ons is Engels by die huis. En je parle un peu de français.
Jeez.
Take us to the World Cup.
Rendezvous, croissant,
No, that's great. That's
Vakatawa.
great for bilateral relations.
Antoine
French,
Dupont.
English, Afrikaans, Zulu. That is. So that's 4. How many? Any others? French.
Could you? There were some Xhosa colleagues.
Yeah, if you can
earlier.
do Zulu, you can do
Yeah.
Xhosa.
Yeah,
but
so I
don't
suppose you
chat.
could claim a bit of Xhosa and Swati and things like that.
Yes.
We have a quick, I think if we have time, from a young listener. I have a question for His Worship Mayor Pappas. Has he read the wonderful new novel Red, White and Royal Blue, or seen the movie on Amazon Prime? He reminds me of Prince Henry. You do have Prince Henry vibes.
I will definitely have to watch it.
Have you not seen it? Not read the book?
No, I haven't.
All the Gen Zs are talking about it.
Oh, then I'll definitely have to do it.
Will you give it a read?
Will you? There we go.
There you go.
We didn't say. Can I introduce my
Yes,
deputy mayor
please
today?
do.
That's your?
Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, college, come here,
Come
college.
come
good.
College.
There we
Take
go.
Morris.
Tell us
Take
who
Morris
you
and
are.
Mike.
Go,
So,
go,
so
go.
I have a deputy mayor with me here
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
He's doing his work experience. Do you want to introduce yourself?
My name is Martinus Erasmus,
Yeah.
and I go to Mayersburg College.
Yeah.
So
And
Martinez
you are
is-
deputy mayor for a day? or?
Yes, he's shadowing me. We're doing our work experience.
Wow.
And he's been up since. What time did we meet? 5. Pappas 5.
About 5:30.
Yeah. So he's been running around since then.
How's it going so far with the mayor? Like, do you like it? Do you think you could do this?
I'm loving it.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
So, and do you agree with the good mayor when he says the biggest challenge is unemployment? Would you put anything else on that list?
100%.
It's the unemployment.
I think that's the biggest point.
All right.
Honorable members,
sorry, I'm
please.
okay, I'm sorry.
You got honourable member. It wasn't even me this time.
Yeah, trust the college boy. Eh? Jeez.
All right, guys. So now we need to decide who asked the best question. Who is winning 2 peak time play vouchers at Le Petit Playhouse in either Hillcrest or Durban North. It's perfect for the school holidays. It's worth 500 Rand and it's good for a 2-hour play session. Do you have a favorite?
It's actually going to Pinky.
We just
I was
decided.
going to say,
Yes,
there's so much pressure. I mean, I got to win votes,
Yeah.
and now you're going to make me choose.
You can't make
Shall we call it? All
Yes.
those in favour of Pinky say aye. Aye. All right, Pinky, congratulations. That is your prize. Chris Pappas, Mayor of Mungeni Local Municipality, thank you for joining us.
It was really cool. Thank you for having
What
me.
a vibe. There
Also,
we go.
please don't forget about us when you've been promoted. You got to come back on
Yeah.
the show.
Please, when are you going to come visit us in Howick and Hilton, Notting Road?
We'll set
Oh,
it up.
welcome.
We'll set it up. Organize a blood drive and we'll be there.
Yeah.
Because that's where we're at tomorrow. We will see you, Richards Bay. We are there in the flesh in Richards Bay. And it's all part of our big blood drive. Remember, we are low on blood and we're going everywhere, asking everyone to please donate their blood. Richards Bay with SANBS. We, East Coast Breakfast, will see you tomorrow morning.
Coffee, check. Keys, check. Now to start the day. Get your daily dose of news, sports,